Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets and organizing and cleaning hacks we've got in this video. This is a small closet you can use for your stuff. We've got this one you can use for your mobile phone in the bathroom. It's really cool. We've got this sink. It's a smart sink. It's really cool. It makes the task easier and fast. We've got this board you can use for the dishes, and we've got this basket you can use for washing vegetables and fruits. This is another beautiful apartment. Let's see these amazing gadgets we've got here. This is the package. She's gonna unpack all these products. It's really a big one. This is a small mobile chair you can use while doing the housework. It's really helpful. This is a small wallet you can use for glasses. This is a cozy armchair. This is an electric top you can use for your feet. We've got this electric file. This is a small cleaner you can use for the corners. We've got this small mop you can use for cleaning windows and mirrors. We've got this holder. This is another rack you can use for liquid soap bottles or dispensers. This is a small folding washing machine you can use anywhere at home. This is another beautiful apartment. This is a sanitizer. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a hair dryer. This is another apartment. Let's see the tools we've got in this place.
敌军还有30秒到达战场。
House. Maybe that's her mom. She's trying to make her house clean and tidy. This is a small mop you can use for windows. It's really helpful. You've got this one you can use for cleaning your mattress. You can also use it for the floor. This is an electric brush you can use for cleaning the sink. It's really helpful. You can also use it for your stove. You've got this electric mop. You've got these hacks you can use for cleaning your bathroom. There are some tools you can use in the bathroom. This is a brush. We've got this small mop you can use for the floor. That's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.